Network hacker Steve vs Shiva fight, Network hackers Chor, Shiva TV show 2025 Hindi full episode 19. Today I am going to present a powerful, thrilling, and inspiring speech based on the popular animated action episode, Network hacker Steve vs Shiva fight, from Shiva TV show 2025 Hindi, full episode 19. This episode is not only full of action and adventure but also gives an important message about technology, cyber safety, courage, intelligence, and teamwork. Through this story, children learn that bravery alone is not enough. Wisdom, honesty, and responsibility are equally important in defeating evil. Introduction: the rising threat of network hackers. In today's digital world, technology has become a part of our daily lives. Computers, mobile phones, internet networks, and smart systems make life easier, faster, and smarter. But along with these advantages, a new danger has emerged: network hackers. Hackers must use technology to steal information, create chaos, and harm innocent people. In Shiva TV show 2025 episode 19, this modern danger enters the peaceful town of Leaders City. A mysterious network hacker thief begins attacking digital systems, stealing confidential data, and shutting down essential services. Fear spreads across the city as traffic lights fade, bank systems crash, and communication networks collapse. But whenever trouble rises, one hero always stands tall: Shiva. Shiva, the symbol of courage and intelligence. Shiva is not just a strong boy with super speed and power. He represents fearlessness, intelligence, honesty, and responsibility. Unlike ordinary heroes, Shiva does not rely only on physical strength. He thinks fast, observes carefully, and always fights for justice. In this episode, Shiva realizes that the enemy is not a normal thief. This villain uses laptops, codes, hacking tools, and digital tricks instead of weapons. Shiva understands that to defeat such a criminal, he must combine technology with bravery. The arrival of the network hacker thief. The network hacker thief is shown as a shadowy figure wearing a digital mask, hiding behind screens and networks. He believes that technology makes him unstoppable. Sitting in secret locations, he hacks into city servers, steals money, locks security systems, and laughs at the helplessness of the people. Police officers try their best, but every move they make is predicted and blocked by the hacker. Even CCTV cameras are turned off. The city slowly falls into darkness and confusion. Children cannot attend school, hospitals face system failures, and citizens panic. At this moment, people whisper only one name: Shiva. Shiva accepts the challenge. Shiva learns about the situation from his friends and elders. Instead of rushing blindly, he listens carefully and studies the problem. He understands that this fight is not just about fists and kicks, but about mind versus mind. Shiva visits the control center where experts explain how the hacker is attacking the network. He watches screens filled with codes, warnings, and error messages. For the first time, the enemy is invisible, hidden behind the digital world. But Shiva smiles confidently. He says, technology can be misused, but it can also be used to protect. Evil can hide, but truth always comes out. The hacker's challenge to Shiva. The network hacker thief soon realizes that Shiva is getting involved. To show his power, he sends a live message across the city's screens, challenging Shiva directly. He mocks Shiva, saying that muscles cannot defeat intelligence and speed cannot stop data. This moment becomes a turning point. Shiva accepts the challenge calmly. He promises the people that he will protect the city and bring the criminal to justice. The first digital trap. The hacker sets a trap by creating a fake emergency signal. Shiva rushes to the location, but it turns out to be a virtual illusion created through hacked screens and sound systems. Suddenly, the doors lock, alarms blast, and electric barriers surround Shiva. The hacker laughs, thinking he has trapped the hero. But Shiva remains calm. Using his sharp reflexes, he studies the pattern of the electric fields and times his movements perfectly. With a combination of speed and intelligence, he escapes the digital cage. This scene teaches us that panic leads to failure, but calm thinking leads to victory. Shiva learns the hacker's weakness. After escaping the trap, Shiva realizes that the hacker depends completely on networks and systems. If the connection is disturbed, the hacker becomes powerless. Shiva starts tracking the signal sources with the help of experts and his own instincts. Meanwhile, the hacker grows arrogant. He increases his attacks, believing Shiva cannot reach him. This arrogance slowly becomes his biggest weakness. The city in crisis. As the battle continues, the hacker launches his biggest attack. Power grids begin to fail, traffic systems crash, and emergency services stop working. The entire city is on the edge of disaster. Shiva runs across the city, manually helping people, guiding traffic, and restoring basic order. This shows that a true hero does not fight only the villain, but also protects people at the same time. Children watching this episode learn the value of service, responsibility, and leadership. The face-to-face encounter. Finally, Shiva traces the main signal to an abandoned building filled with servers, wires, and glowing screens. This is the hacker's headquarters. For the first time, Shiva comes face-to-face with the network hacker thief. The hacker tries to escape using automated drones and digital locks. A thrilling action sequence begins. Shiva dodges laser traps, breaks through mechanical barriers, and disables machines with perfect timing. This fight is not just physical but mental. The hacker tries to confuse Shiva with fake data and illusions, but Shiva stays focused. The ultimate fight, power vs knowledge. The final fight begins when the hacker activates his ultimate defense system. Robots, electric flaws, and security codes surround Shiva. The hacker believes technology has finally won. But Shiva proves that technology without ethics is powerless. Using speed, intelligence, and courage, Shiva disrupts the main server, cutting off the hacker's control. With the system collapsing, the hacker loses his advantage. Shiva confronts him directly and defeats him without hatred, but with justice. Victory in justice. The network hacker thief is handed over to the authorities. The city's systems are restored, and peace returns. People cheer for Shiva, not just for defeating the villain, but for saving the city with wisdom and kindness. Shiva reminds everyone that technology is a tool, not a weapon. It should be used to build, not destroy. Message of the episode. This episode delivers powerful lessons. Technology is powerful, but ethics are more powerful. Intelligence and calm thinking defeat arrogance. True heroes protect people, not fame. Crime may hide behind screens, but truth always wins. Courage, honesty, and responsibility are real superpowers. Conclusion. Shiva, the hero of the digital age. Network hackers thief vs Shiva fight is not just an action-packed episode, it is a reflection of modern challenges faced by society. In a world full of digital dangers, Shiva stands as a symbol of hope, reminding us that good will always overcome evil. Shiva proves that whether the enemy is strong, fast, or intelligent, truth, courage, and wisdom will always lead to victory. This episode inspires children to respect technology, stay alert, and always choose the path of righteousness. As long as heroes like Shiva exist, no threat, physical or digital, can destroy humanity. Jaya Shiva, justice always wins.